Good morning, my dear students. Hope you're doing good and you hope you enjoyed your Dussehra vacation. So before Dussehra vacation, we had completed 3 chapters, right? So, and yesterday we have started with a new chapter and the chapter name is Programs for Television. And yesterday I have already given you the introduction for television, the evolution of television, who invented it, and also how it was introduced in India. So today we will be doing types of television programs. Alright? So man needs variety in his life, whether they are taking food, whether they are getting dressed, whether they are making many kinds of friends, or even selecting entertainment. They need varieties in their life. So here in television also we go by the saying variety is the spice of life. Many times while watching television you must have thought that some programs are a work of directors' imagination, while others appear to be real life experiences. So this is very true because on one hand we have programs which are based on imagination, alright, that is based on imagination. And on the other hand, we have programs that are based on real incidents and events. Let me repeat, there are 2 types of director's mind. One can be a program which are based on imagination, and on other hand we have programs that are based on real life and real events. So we have 2 broad formats of television programs which we shall discuss here today. Alright, so the 2 types of program, that is the television program, are fiction program and non-fiction program. Alright, so there are 2 types of television program, fiction and non-fiction programs. So let us discuss what is fiction programs. Fiction is defined as something that is not true. An example of fiction is a movies that is not based on a true story. It is not based on a true story. And another example of fiction is a lie that you were told. One more example of fiction is a false belief. Almost all the fiction programs that depend on imagination and dramatization are meant for entertaining the audience, the viewers. Drama, soap operas or serials that you watch on the television, like the famous one, Nagin, Kasauti Zindagi Ki, Hum Log, okay, Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. So these are all the different serials that you watch on the television. These are ongoing episode work of fiction. Do you believe that this is a true story? The Kasauti Zindagi, Anurag, Prerna, are they real? It is not. These are all man-made stories. It comes out of the imagination of the director, of the scriptwriter. So another example I can give you is animation, animated movies. Some of the reality shows are also scripted. This is not real, alright? So the animated movies, like you can name few, like Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, cartoons, like animated cartoons. There are many animated cartoons like Chota Bheem, Mighty Raju, Shin Chan, Doraemon. These are all fiction programs, alright? The animated movies, the cartoons, this comes under fiction programs, alright? So this is the meaning of fiction. That is not real. It is not real. It is a lie. It is a false belief, alright? So this is a fiction program. Now let us come into non-fiction program, the second type of TV program, non-fiction programs. Apart from different serials and other entertaining work of fiction, you must have watched programs on television that provide a lot of information regarding various events that takes place in our surrounding and also impart education on contemporary issues. So this is known as non-fiction programs. Alright. So examples of non-fiction programs that is available in the TV that you watch every day are news bulletins. The news that are presented in CNN, BBC, Aaj Tak. Alright. So these are all what? These are all non-fiction programs. These are all real news. The games and quizzes like the famous one Born Vita quiz contest by Derek O'Brien. These are also a non-fictional program because they are real programs. And also many of the talks and discussion shows, documentary, this comes under non-fiction programs. Let me give you an example of a reality show. The famous one, Kaun Banega Crorepati, Dance India Dance, Saregama. Okay, so these are all non-fictional programs. And documentaries, the famous one like War and Peace, Ladies First, India's Daughter. These are all non-fictional documentaries. So it is based on real people, real place, and it is also based on a true story. So this is the non-fictional program, and there are two types of television program that I've already mentioned, that is a fiction program and non-fiction program. Alright, now let us come into difference between fiction and non-fiction program. Let us see the difference. Fiction is not true and non-fiction is true. I have already mentioned fiction is what? Not true and fiction is true. This is the simplest way of defining fiction and non-fiction. Non-fiction involves real things, real people, real events, real places and real writing. Everything is real. However, fiction is just imaginary things, imaginary people, imaginary events, imaginary places and imaginary writing. One is real, another one is imagination. While a writer based on his imagination creates fiction, non-fiction is not created but only written based on facts. So whenever a script for any non-fiction TV programs are written, it is totally based on facts. Everything is real and true. Okay, so for example, if you want to make a documentary movie on your school, Rockwell Academy, okay, so you have to research, you have to go through the history and you have to present all the real facts so that you can make the documentary that is non-fictional. You can't go and tell, you can go to St. Joseph Convent, you can't go to St. Augustine, you can shoot there and tell this is Rockwell Academy. That is not a non-fictional documentary. It is fake. It is a false belief, right? So if you want to make a documentary movie that is a non-fictional movie, you have to go through the history, you have to research, you have to present the date that is the real one. You can't present the fake dates. Alright, so but if you want to make a fiction movie, say a horror movie, you can bring out your imagination, you can bring out your creativity, you can imagine anything you want and you can make a script, you can make a movie, horror movie. That is a non-fictional movie. Alright, while non-fiction focuses on ideas or events that actually took place, fiction tends to be focusing on imaginary ideas and events. Coming to the characters, non-fiction deals with real people. Alright, non-fiction that deals with the real people, and fiction only creates characters. For example, fictional characters are Harry Potter, they are not real, it is created, alright. Harry Potter, Batman, Superman, Shaktiman, these are all fictional characters, whereas the non-fictional characters includes people in the reality show. Recently, a person from Siliguri, he went to participate in Kaun Banega Crorepati. He is a real character, so it comes under the non-fictional character. Okay, the person comes under non-fictional characters, and all these Disney characters, Elsa, alright, so Mickey Mouse, they are all fictional characters. Okay, if something is said to have happened in real place, whether in the past or present, then that is non-fiction. But if something is said to have taken place in a fake place, okay, if you create a place, then that is a fiction. Alright, so real place is non-fiction and a created place is a fiction. A big difference is that fictions are made-up stories and non-fictions are fact-based writings. Fictions are just entertainers. It is only for entertainment. And on the other hand, non-fictions are informative. They gives us education. They provide us with the information. Autobiography, history books and journals are examples of non-fiction. Novel, short stories, films are all fictions. Another difference is a fiction writer intends to make the audience believe that the whole thing that they view are occurring. But a non-fiction writer cannot indulge in such thing. Fiction writer creates stories without any commitment to the viewers. They only elaborate on the ideas and views. But a non-fiction writers, they cannot pour out his own imagination. They cannot make anything else with their imagination. It has to be real one. Fiction is artificial, alright, and it is created from one's imagination. Whereas non-fiction is natural. Fiction is artificial and non-fiction is natural as it deals with events that had actually taken place. Fiction is an invented story, whereas non-fiction deals with existing fact. Fiction is a man-made story. It comes out of the imagination, but non-fiction, they deals with the facts. They deal with the real story. Another difference is fiction is a reflection of writer's imagination. Meanwhile, non-fiction is a recollection of fact. So while making a non-fiction movies, films, documentaries, anything, they have to do a research. It is a recollection of facts. Fiction tend to be more elaborate and descriptive. Non-fiction tends to say only that is necessary to establish a fact or an idea. A fiction writer can run his imagination free, whereas non-fiction writer cannot. So, a fiction writer, he can write anything he wants because it is fiction. It is not real. It is a fake one, alright? But a non-fiction writer cannot come out of his imagination. The facts has to be a real one. Simplicity, directness and clarity are most important in non-fiction work. While a fiction leaves the imagination to audience or readers and they cannot have their own interpretation. Alright, so these are the difference between fiction and non-fiction program. So today we have done types of television, that is, there are two types of television program. Number one is fiction program and number two is non-fiction program. Hope you are clear with the content. See you in next class. Thank you.